Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to our lessons. Medina Book 1, Lesson 14, الدرس الرابع عشر. And we are in the second part of the الدرس الرابع عشر, inshallah. We are going to do the second part, inshallah. We are going to translate all these paragraphs, inshallah. About 12 sentences, yeah? Okay, we go to our board. نحن مسلمون. نحن مسلمون. That means we are Muslim. Okay. نحن stand for we. We are Muslim. Okay. We are Muslim. Allah Rabbuna. Allah is our Lord. والإسلام ديننا, and the Islam is our religion. والنبي محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم, and the Prophet Muhammad صلى الله عليه وسلم is our رسولنا, messenger. والقرآن, and the Quran. الكريم, and the Holy Quran. كتابنا is our book. والكعبة قبلتنا, and the Kaaba is our Qibla or direction. Okay. والعربية لغتنا, and the Arabic is our language. What should be the language of all the Muslims? That's why you are learning Arabic. For anyone who wants to learn with us, inshallah, just they will be able to understand Al-Quran and the Sunnah. Okay, good. That's for number one. Number one is we are all Muslim. Number two is أين مدرسكم? أين مدرسكم يا إخوان? Where is your kum? Your stand for your, and the plural masculine. Your teacher, oh brothers. Number three is, no, it's same. Number two, خرج الآن من الفصل وذهب إلى المدير. He went out now from the classroom and went to the principal. Yeah. Number three says في أي شارع بيتكم? In أي which, in which road is your house? في أي شارع بيتكم؟ بيتنا our house في الشارع الذي أمام المحكمة. Our house بيتنا is in the road في الشارع الذي, which is in أمام, in front of the محكمة, the justice. Okay. or the court, sorry, the court. For أبونا صديق عمكم. Our father is صديق عمكم, is your uncle's friend. Yeah, uncle's friend, yeah. Okay. Our father أبونا is صديق عمك, is your uncle's friend. Okay. Number 5 says أأنتم مدرسون. Are you teachers؟ لا نحن حفظنا. لا نحن أطباء. No, we are أطباء, doctors. أأنتم أبناء المدير. Number 6. Are you the teacher, the principals? Sorry. Are you the principal's sons? No, نحن حفدته. Okay. لا نحن حفدته. That means no, we are his grandsons. Okay. No, we are his grandsons. 7. مدرستنا كبيرة ومدرستكم صغيرة. Our madrasa is big, كبيرة, and your madrasa is small. Okay. Can you? Not yet. Okay. Just finish with this and we 8. لنا حديقة جميلة في تلك القرية. We have حديقة جميلة, a beautiful garden. في تلك القرية, in that village. Okay. We stop here. We make it smaller and we go for another part. Number 9. Okay. Number 9. 9. Number 9 is أخونا طالب في كلية الطب. Our brother is a student in medicine faculty. Medicine faculty. Is it okay? Yeah? That's fine. Faculty. Number 10 is أأنتم أطباء. Are you doctors? بعضنا أطباء. Some of us are doctors. وبعضنا, and some of us are مهندسون, engineers. Yeah. Number 11, and we finish this inshallah. Allahu Rabbuna wa Rabbukum. Allah is our Lord and your Lord. Number 12, and we finish with this inshallah. أين ذهبتم يا إخوان؟ أين ذهبتم يا إخوان؟ Where did you go, oh brothers? ذهبنا إلى السوق. We went to the market. Okay, we stop here. We finish the translation. I hope this is clear for everyone. We try to do the other part as well bigger. No, it doesn't much. Okay, that's fine. No, it's too much. Okay, we hope to satisfy everybody. You can see anyway. Okay, so now we are going to do the study الضمير we do المنفصل and we do المتصل. Okay, we try to do this inshallah. Okay, we do them here. We try to do المتصل and المنفصل. Okay, so let's go with the colors first. We have we do it in red. Okay, المنفصل we have us. We do it in red as well. Okay, we have you plural masculine. We do it in blue. And we have as well your, we do it in blue. Okay, what we have نحن بيتنا وذهب إلى الكعبة والنطالب بها. Okay, we have only this one. Yeah, أنتم ذهبتم. Okay, and متصل as well, we have you as well. Okay, you as well, because we have the one joined with the verb. Let's do this inshallah. We have المنفصل you and yours. Okay, your and your. Okay, we start inshallah to study this one. نحن مسلمون. نحن مسلمون. مسلمون we do in red. نحن we go for we and us. We are going to find all of them. نحن is the ضمير منفصل. That's we. مسلمون. الله ربنا. na is us, our or our. Okay, We try to add this our here as well. Us or our. Okay. ربنا, ديننا, our religion, رسولنا, our كتابنا, our book. Okay. قبلتنا, our قبلة, and لغتنا, our لغة. أين مدرسكم يا إخوان؟ Okay. أين مدرسكم يا إخوان؟ means مدرسكم will be your teacher. متصل. Okay. كم خرج الآن من الفصل وذهب إلى المدير. في أي شارع بيتكم؟ متصل. It's joined. Okay. It is your. Okay. Your house. بيتنا. It's our. بيتنا في الشارع أمام المحكمة. أبونا as well. أبونا, our father, is your uncle's. Did I say it is right what I write? Yeah, is your uncle friend? Is your which one? 4. Our father is your uncle's friend. Yeah, that's fine. أنتم is you for plural. منفصل. Okay. لا نحن منفصل. نحن. Okay. It's related to the red and blue. Okay. حفدته. Okay. We add here a green one for he. Okay. And his or him. For المنفصل we have his and we have him as well. Okay. So we are his حفدة. His حفدة. Okay. With his grandsons. أي مدرستنا is read we, our مدرستنا, our مدرسة, ومدرستكم your مدرسة. Okay. لنا we have. لنا نحن we have حديقة جميلة في تلك القرية. أخونا our brother. Okay. They are all in red. Okay. Try to remember these all reds are for we. These are blue are for أنتم. These are green are for هو and his. Okay. أخونا طالب. أنتم is blue. أنتم أطباء. أنتم is منفصل. Okay. بعضنا نا is متصل. بعضنا some of us and بعضنا some of us. ربنا our Lord. وربكم your Lord. Okay, these are all the pronouns. Yeah. أين ذهبتم? Where did you, all of you, go? تم is الضمير المتصل بالفعل يا إخوان. ذهبنا, and we finish with this as well. ذهبنا we, okay, went to the principal. إلى السوق, sorry, to the market. Okay. ذهبنا إلى السوق. Okay. So hope all this is clear. You can just review all the pronouns we have here. We have we, نحن, نا, our or us, لنا, أنتم, you, plural masculine, كم, عمكم, your, or ذهبتم, you went. Okay. That's it. Okay. And who is, we study this, his حفد. Okay. You study this, all the pronouns are here inshallah. So we go inshallah to, if you want to review this, stop the video here to review well, because we are going to stop it inshallah, and we go to the next part to do the exercise. Okay, here it's only to do with the pronoun, which is very easy. Okay, so we take off all these inshallah to make a place to order to write. To do the job properly, and we have it says that we have to add only the pronoun here. Okay, so we try to do things properly. We have kum. Let's do. Okay, we do all. Baytun, a house. Baytukum, your house, for plural. You, plural, masculine. Baytuna, our house. Okay. Kum. Okay. And na as well. Na is, okay, these are dama'ir muttasila, means joined with the verbs or the nouns. Okay, we do the translation of this. Kum means your, for plural masculine. Yeah, it's like that. Kum is your, plural, and na is our. Yeah, that to clarify what we are doing, or to be sure you understand this kind of pronouns. Okay, now we go for to make an Arabic inshallah, and we are going to do this exercise. Yeah, Baytun, we have Baytukum, Baytuna, your house, and when I say your is for the plural masculine. Okay, Baytuna, Ummun, we have Ummukum, Ummukum, and Ummuna. Okay, your mother, our mother. Ammun, Ammukum, Ammuna. Okay, Ammukum, Ammukum, ميم بالشدة. عمكم, عمنا. صديق, صديقكم. Okay, صديقكم, your friend, and we have صديقنا, our friend. Okay, صديقنا, it is our friend. Okay, this is for صديق. مدرسة, مدرستكم, and مدرستنا. مدرستكم مدرستنا لغة لغتكم لغتنا لغتكم لغتنا okay. أب أبوكم but with the أسماء الخمسة we have to add we did this before okay and we have to extend with واو أبوكم أبوكم and أبونا okay أخت we have أختكم your sister أختنا أختكم أختنا our دينكم okay دينكم and ديننا the last one is أخوكم as well أخون is about الأسماء الخمسة that we have to extend أخو we add واو كم and أخونا further همزة قط okay all these are the ones we are doing inshallah we just add for everyone الضمير المتصل كم or na okay كم it is your for plural masculine and na is our for our okay so by this inshallah we finish this part 2 inshallah for the lesson 4 jazakumullah khair for watching us hope this is benefit for you hope this help you to understand inshallah okay and I see inshallah we are going to finish for next part inshallah we are going to finish bi'idhnillah the third part and the lesson 14 inshallah just to jump to the lesson 15 assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuhu I will see you inshallah in the next lesson inshallah jazakumullah khair for watching us